Welcome back student in online learning classes. Today we are going to start new topic food production and management. So let us start the topic. India is mainly an agricultural country. Most of our people earn their living from agricultural products. Major population of India lives in village and more than 70% Indian population is involved in agricultural activities. Better economic condition of farmer can help them to take up improved agricultural technologies. Water is one of the most important requirement for growing crops. For water, farmer mainly depends on rain or monsoon. Monsoon may fail at times. In the present day world of scientific and technological advancements, a farmer should not be left at the mercy of monsoon. We should have an arrangement which should help a farmer with water all the year round. Also, we should be able to get more and better yield from the fields. This is achieved only by adopting better agricultural practices and better farm management. The different practices done in agriculture of crops is known as agricultural practices. Agricultural practices are simply methods that are used in farming to ensure good crops. These practices are used by farmers to facilitate farming in an effective manner to ensure that the crops gives a good yield. There are several agricultural practices that are done for farming like preparation of soil, selection of seeds, sowing of seeds, making soil fertile, weeding, irrigation, harvesting, crop protection and storage. So all these are the farm practices or agricultural practices. So let us start the first practice, that is the preparation of soil. Soil is prepared well before planting a crop. This is called the tilling the soil. Compost, that is manure, prepared from decayed animal and plant waste, is placed in small heaps along the field, which is then plowed. Plowing helps in loosening and turning the topsoil upside down and also in mixing the compost with the soil. This makes the soil fertile, airy and increase its water retaining capacity. Why is it important to make the soil loose? Loose soil holds more air and water. This allows roots of plant to breathe better. Moreover, loose soil helps root to penetrate deep through the layers of soil to anchor the plant firmly as well as to reach a wider area of soil for extracting nutrients. Loose soil also helps manure and fertilizer to mix easily. Not only this, the growth and multiplication of helpful microorganism is enhanced if the soil is loose. It also helps in uprooting the weeds and exposing seeds, worms, insects, and pests in the fields. Large lumps of soil is left or broken with the help of harrow. The soil is then leveled or made into ridges and furrows. Leveling ensure uniform distribution of water in the field. The big clods of earth present in the soil are broken and the soil is pressed to make it even. This is called leveling. The surface of the soil is made even in order to check the soil erosion. Leveling of the soil makes the process of irrigation uniform. In other words, water can now be supplied evenly to the fields. The leveling of the soil is done with the help of an iron or wooden leveler. A leveler can be driven by animal or by a tractor. So, in the process of preparation of soil, we talk about two steps, tilling and leveling. In next video, we will learn about selection of seeds and sowing of seeds. Thank you.